Hello, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are here today with Chibi Gochuku, also known as Egotech. Okay, today guys, I'm going to show you how you can pin more than 3 chats here on WhatsApp. As you can see, currently I have 7 chats pinned here. Yeah, I have 7 of them pinned. So, but normally on WhatsApp, we are only permitted to pin only 3. Yeah, try it and see. You are only permitted to pin only 3. But there is this WhatsApp tricks that you can use and pin more than 3, as you can see mine. Okay, so what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and on your notification bell, which is very much important, guys. Subscribe and on your notification bell so that you won't miss out any other interesting video like this. Okay, alright, for you to achieve this, at times you might be asking the question, how can someone achieve pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp? It's very much possible, guys, so stay tuned and watch this video to the very end and see how you can do this for yourself. Okay, alright, you have to be ready to do this because you only have not less than 3 to 4 seconds to do this, and once you exhaust these 3 to 4 seconds, you can lose everything that you've pinned. Okay, so you have to be very fast, and the system of your phone have to be very fast as well to respond. So if you are using 1 gig RAM or 2 that is very low and is not fast in responding, so I don't believe you can still do it sharp. Yeah, I can believe you can still do it, but try as much as possible to be fast while doing it. Okay, so what you have to do is select all the pinned chats. Alright, I pinned 7. Yeah, all these 7 ones are now pinned, but I still want to make it 8. So how do I do this? The only thing that you can do now is, you see this button here. This button here is for archive. Yeah, this button is for archive. Then this one is silent. When you put this one, when you click on this one, which means that all these chats, once the message drop in this chat, you won't receive any notification sound. Okay, then this one is to unpin, you get. Then this one is for label, and this one is for more options. Alright, but the one that we are going to make use of is this one, use archive. That's the only one we are going to make use of here. And secondly, pin. So be attentive and watch this video to the very end as I show you. So as you've succeeded in pinning all the chats that you've pinned before, as you succeeded in highlighting them, okay, so be ready. What you have to do is achieve them and press hold on the one that you want to pin and pin it immediately and unachieve. So what I just said now is what you are going to do within the space of 4 seconds. Okay, highlight all those chats that you've pinned before, achieve it, and pin the one that you want to add to pinned. You get. I'm going to show you right away so you won't get confused. Alright, just stay tuned and watch what I do now. Alright, I restored it, guys, for me not to lose all the ones that I've pinned. It's very tough somehow. Okay, so you have to be very fast in doing this. Alright, as you can see, I'm not that fast, so I have to undo it immediately for me not to lose all these ones that I've pinned already. Okay, let me try it once again. So keep trying until you do this. It's not even hard. As I said, it just depends on how fast that you are. Alright, achieve this one, then pin and undo. Alright, as you can see it, I succeeded in pinning 8 chats here on WhatsApp, guys. Isn't that tremendous? Oh guys, go try it out, go try it out, go try it out. As you can see now, I have 8 chats pinned here on WhatsApp. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. Isn't that tremendous? That's very great, guys. So go try it out. Immediately you highlight all the ones that you've pinned before, achieve them and pin new one, and undo your action immediately. Undo your action immediately, because after 3 to 4 seconds you can't undo again. Okay, so guys, this is the only simple thing that you need to do for you to achieve this. Okay, So guys, if you find this video useful, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button and on your notification bell for you not to miss another interesting video like this, and share this video as well. Okay, like this video and share immediately. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.